Hi everybody, I hope you're feeling Christmassy. I'm here at Charing Cross Station and they've got one of the coolest Christmas trees I've ever seen. And it's reminding me to tell you about the Great Big Live Nativity that we're inviting all primary schools to take part in on the 10th of December. And it's a really special event because we're asking schools to consider doing a non-uniform day to help fund the work we're doing with a refugee camp in Kenya. You might remember during the Great Big Live Assembly, we went to visit this refugee camp and we met two young people and they told us just some of the struggles they're facing in their school.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Cheng. I live in Kakuma refugee camp in Kenya, but my family is from South Sudan. I love football and my favorite team is Arsenal. And in Arsenal, my favorite player is Martin Odegaard because I like the way he plays. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse because I want to help people stay healthy. I also by school, there are 130 learners in my class. My favorite lesson is science.
They mentioned that they had to walk 5 kilometers to get to school. And they also have 130 children in each class. They sit on the floor and they don't have many resources. And they specifically asked us to get them some laptops if we can. So the non-uniform money is going to help raise funds to get the laptops to the schools in Kenya and also help Sanctuary Foundation to keep running these Great Big Live Assemblies for free and provide all the resources that we give to schools to help them build compassion and kindness and bridges around the nation and around the world. So I do hope you're able to take part. It'd be lovely to see you. If your school can't do a non-uniform day, join us anyway. The more the merrier. We'll be exploring the real meaning of Christmas. And we're going to be talking to the incredible Gemma Hunt and Sean Fletcher and hearing from them about what Christmas means to them. We're also going to go visit our school in Kenya. All right, see you there. I'm going to be in a very special place. I'm going to be in a little farm somewhere in Oxfordshire. And I've already started to make friends with a donkey who's going to take part in our Great Big Live Nativity. So don't miss it. We'll see you there. All the best. See you soon.